As more and more Californians become green and health conscious, more and more Californians are using bicycles as their primary means of transportation. Many people are also using them as recreation on the weekends and for cardiovascular health. We have many lawyers that work here who bike to work every day. We're very experienced at the Dolan Law Firm in working on bicycle injury cases. Bicycles are extremely vulnerable. Anybody who drives through the city streets sees that they are frequently cut off, that people turn left and right in front of them, that folks open car doors directly into their path. We have seen all of these tragedies unfold, and we have represented bicyclists in all of these types of cases. One example that I'd like to point out has to do with poor roadway conditions. We represented a 32-year-old woman, a lawyer, who worked for the county, who was riding her bicycle out in Contra Costa County, and she was on the side of the road when suddenly that side of the road, in essence, disappeared. A construction crew that was building a development had ground down the roadway. So there was a 3-inch lip, and they had left gravel on the roadway. So when she rode her bike into this unmarked area, her tire was thrown out from underneath her, and she landed on her bike helmet in the roadway and suffered a serious traumatic brain injury. She had to have what was called a dual craniotomy, where both sides of her head were opened up to relieve the brain pressure. Her life was never the same after that. The owners, the developers, the county, they all went like this. They said, "We did nothing wrong. If anybody did, it was them." And there was a lot of finger pointing, including blaming the bicyclist. After a year and a half of working on that case, of taking depositions and establishing the truth, our client was compensated in the multiple millions of dollars to help her get the care that she needed and to help her to live out her life with the dignity that she deserved, to replace her wages so that her family wouldn't lose their home. And all of this could have been avoided just by being responsible and doing what was right.